Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today the video is so exciting. It's one of the nicest 57 Chevrolet Bel-Airs you're gonna see. So D-Rod's in Farmington did the paint work, body work, and we are going to do the fuel injection install on the small block Chevrolet, while Brian at BlackSeed Originals does the interior on the car. So that'll be coming up in a future episode, but I wanted to give the owners the unveiling video that we went down and recorded. Super nice couple, and I'm really excited for them to have this car. So here we go, let's get started.
What do you think about that car?
That's her favorite now.
Favorite?
That's her favorite.
All right guys, so this is like our third time to do a fuel injection install on the channel. It's our second time to do a Holley Sniper setup, so I'm excited about that. So that video should happen, I would say, in a couple weeks. This is recorded August, 1st of August, middle of August, something like that. And so anyways, subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming, to see daily updates. Find us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and we post here every Friday and Tuesday at 7 p.m. Thanks.